In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on ring to disable or enable it. Hit Vibration and Haptics and then tap on all of those switches next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Go back. Tap on Sound Mode to select Vibrate if you wish to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. And last but not least, scroll all the way down to Heat Tones. And then use this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to manage this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!